Denim jeans are considered as one of the most environmentally damaging clothing items. And the reason is simple. Denim is made from cotton, which requires huge amounts of water to produce. But at Rhysley, sustainability is not just a trend for us. Welcome to Rhysley, where we combine style and sustainability while trying to make the world a better place. As one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of denim garments, we strongly believe that fashion and sustainability can go hand in hand. From sourcing eco-friendly raw materials to delivering the final product, we prioritize sustainable practices at every step. Our denim is made from responsibly sourced cotton, upcycled natural materials, and natural dyes that guarantee a healthier planet. Our state-of-the-art water recycling systems and efficient washing techniques save thousands of gallons of water. We use eco-friendly chemicals in our washing process that reduces the environmental impact. Well, it won't be unfair to say that water conservation is at the heart of our manufacturing practices. Besides, we use energy-efficient machinery to minimize our carbon footprint while maximizing productivity. Our experienced team of fashion designers constantly explore new ways to create high-quality, stylish, and eco-friendly denim garments that meet the demands of our global clients. From the initial concept to the final product, Rhysley is committed to sustainable future. Ultimately, we create denim garments that our clients and the planet will love. Partner with us for sustainable bulk orders while making a positive impact on the environment.